Unit 1, Part 1. So we're looking at chemistry in this unit. So what is chemistry? So chemistry is defined as the study of the composition and structure of materials and the change they undergo. And when we look at chemistry, there's 5 major branches. Organic chemistry, so the number 1, organic chemistry. And this is a study of substances that are composed of both carbon and hydrogen. An example of this, of an organic compound, is blood glucose, which is C6H12O6. So it's carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. That would be an organic compound. Inorganic chemistry is the study of substances other than organic chemicals. So a chemical that we're probably familiar with is carbon dioxide, CO2. So if you look at CO2 as carbon and oxygen but no hydrogen. Or if we look at glucose, which is C6H12O6, it has carbon and hydrogen. So that's what makes it organic. C3, physical chemistry. This is the study of the properties and transformation of matter in terms of fundamental physical processes. D4, biochemistry. This is the study of all substances and processes that occur in living things. An example of this that you probably have studied in probably high school and possibly in college is photosynthesis and cell respiration. Those are 2 chemical processes that can occur within the cell. So photosynthesis would occur in plants, for instance, as well as you would see cell respiration. Those are both part of or something you would study in biochemistry. By studying that, you understand how the cell operates. E5, analytical chemistry. The identification of materials, in other words, you can telling what it is, and the qualitative and quantitative determination of the composition of materials. So, for instance, you could determine the percentage of oxygen in carbon dioxide, and you could have a number with that. That would be a quantitative property or characteristic of a substance that you would study in analytical chemistry. A qualitative characteristic might be the color of it. So you're just saying the color, you're not actually giving a number to it. And this last one here, because we're looking at both matter and energy, and the next unit I'm going to cover this, but matter is anything that has weight and occupies space. So weight is a measure of gravity. So a lot of times you'll see the definition where they say has mass and occupies, or say has volume. They're both the same. Volume and occupies space really is the same thing. Weight is gravitational pull, mass is the amount of matter, but they're used interchangeably in this definition. Okay, so you want to go to Unit 1, Part 2 for the next notes.